welcome to the Pandora Danger YouTube channel. I'm Amy, and we're doing a couple experiments. The first one is I'm filming this on my phone because my lovely camera is acting up and it will not record without having a buffer overflow problem, even though I have like 8 hours left to film, 8 hours left of space on it. So we're gonna try from the phone, and if the phone works, then cool, I'll know that's a viable backup option. The other experiment we're doing today is there is a new product, well, new to me, that I've noticed popping up on my Instagram. And as I'm scrolling through, it kind of caught my eye. It's by this company called Dysfunctional Doll, which looks like it's a gothic clothing either company or accessory company. I'm not sure. I haven't had a whole lot of exposure to them. I've just kind of seen them on the Instagram. Well, their ad kept popping up, and the ad was for a gothic mystery bag. Now, I don't consider myself a goth. I dabble. I kind of have a darker side I like to dabble in every once in a while. Like, you know, I like skulls, I like crosses, I like Baphomet. Like, I like the imagery. But I haven't had a whole lot of chance to indulge in the culture. That is something I'm working on. I got invited to a goth club tomorrow, actually, so it's really lucky that this particular item showed up. Well, they do what is called a gothic mystery bag, and the advertisement caught my eye because the advertisement is an image of this brown crumpled paper bag that just has gothic mystery bag like scribbled on it, and I loved that. There was something very punk rock about that, and another thing I noticed that they do is they do free shipping, which, holy shit, that's awesome. So yeah, I mean, without further ado, because I'm not sure how much space I have on my phone, I'll go ahead and start opening things up. This also arrived on my birthday, by the way. I ordered it Cyber Monday, and it came November 30th. So not only is the shipping free, the shipping is fast as hell. Came in this priority mail for free, and I'm not like a member. I don't have like an account or anything. It just gets shipped for free. Like, that's really nice. I have a lot of respect already for the company. Now, I can't see anything about quality of the product until I try it out, though. So let's take a look. I'm just kind of cutting it open here. Well, the first thing I'm seeing is this beauty. Look at this. It's a gothic magazine. It's like a fashion magazine. It's got these really great pictures, which I may actually cut up and maybe do an art piece with. Maybe a little art piece with. And apparently this is supposed to be $50 worth of gothic items, and I only paid 20-ish for them. I can't remember the exact amount. It was 20, maybe close to 30, not anywhere near like 50. Next, oh, there's a shirt. A cutie little shirt. Oh no! Oh no, when I cut it open, I cut the string of the tank! Oh! I can fix that. I can fix it. I'll sew it. And I'll try it on, but it's just this shirt that says Gothic. I may wear this tomorrow. Should I wear this tomorrow to the Gothic Club, or would that be too much of a noob mistake? But look how fucking cute that is. That is really cute. Okay. Moving on! What else is in here? Nightmare Before Christmas. Yes. A giant patch. I have no idea where I'm going to put this. I like Nightmare Before Christmas. I'm not as big a fan as some people, so I may actually pass this on to somebody else who might really enjoy it. But yeah, you can't argue with a little bit of Jack Skellington. Like, who doesn't love Jack Skellington? He's a lovable guy. Ooh, I like this. Very Bowie. It looks like it is a cuff. It just goes on like that. Oh yeah. This would actually probably work with my Scott Pilgrim, what's her name? Ramona. My Ramona cosplay. This would actually look pretty good with that. So $20 for what I've got so far. I mean, at Hot Topic, I would have already spent 50, at least 50 at Hot Topic. With between the shirt and the magazine and the patch and the bracelet, I would have already spent quite a bit. And there's plenty more in here. Like, feel some heft. And this is heavy. This is actual heavy jewelry. And it's got like this diamond pattern here. And then on the back, it's detailed on the back, guys. Skeleton earrings. Oh my goodness. It matches my shirt. I'm putting them on now. Ooh. Okay, doll. Yep. I am impressed so far. Let's see. Oh, it's black and it's got a green gem. I do like this. I know somebody who might like this more. I might give this to my Slytherin friend. So Sarah, I might give this one to you because if you want it. Because it has a Death Eater feel. It has a Slytherin feel to it. I think you might dig it. So it's got this skull and crossbones and then this lovely emerald feature to it. I don't know if you can see that. But I will be modeling all of this at the end. This shit is coming off now. I found my new shit. Something else that is definitely going to be worn tomorrow at church. Church being the club I'm going to. Holy shit, I want these. This is actually something I've always really liked. It's a cameo with like a skeleton person on the inside. So the cameo is like those little side portraits. So they look like this. And there's great detail. They feel quality. They feel heavy. Again, like, these always feel, the fixtures always feel a little flimsy, but they're not as heavy, so they'll probably be a little easier to wear. I fucking love it. Oh, yeah. Yes. Yes. And there's these lovely little gems in them. They hang at a good height. Like just below my chin, like I don't have to adjust that. This one's a little bit more motorbikey. I like this. It's kind of classic, but I'm not as excited about it as I was about the earrings and some of the other jewelry. Again, it is very quality, and it looks cool. It's got like a nice chain to it. Maltese cross, I think this is called the Maltese cross. But it reminds me of a phase I had in middle school where I was really into the wrestler The Undertaker, and a lot of his merch had the Maltese cross on it, if I'm remembering correctly. A flame bracelet that's PVC. I like PVC. I'm not sure if I would wear like a whole PVC outfit, but accessories are really nice. It smells really good. Let's see. Oh, it laces on, so I need laces. I don't have laces. Do I have laces? Did this come with laces? There's no laces. Overall, man, the quality of this shit was way above my expectations. Now, my expectations weren't exactly high, but it's far, far above what I even thought was possible. There's a lot of jewelry, a lot of stuff that I could say on its own could be close to $20 in any, like, mall, department store, like Hot Topic, or, you know, if it was just being sold, Claire's, wherever, you know, wherever jewelry is sold. It's quality enough to be worth way more than what I got it for. Alright, be right back after I try on some of this stuff. Alright, so yeah, I tried everything out, and it's pretty good quality. If you like a grab bag of goodies, even at full price, it's not bad considering the amount of stuff you're getting and the quality of the stuff you're getting. Just a really cool store, really cool, with really cool stuff. So anyway, I'm going to end the rambling because I'm going out for my birthday dinner, and my husband will be home any minute to do that, so bye.